Hello everyone and welcome back to Driveline, the channel where we explore the latest bikes, scooters, cars, and everything exciting from the automotive world. In today's video, we're going to take a detailed look at one of the most trusted scooters ever made, the 2026 Honda Activa 5G. The Activa series has always been known for its reliability, smooth performance, and excellent fuel efficiency. Even today, the Activa 5G remains a favorite choice for daily commuters. The 2026 version is expected to carry forward the same trusted performance with some modern styling and feature updates. So let's explore its design, comfort, performance, and safety features. Artist palette design and exterior, simple and stylish. The 2026 Honda Activa 5G continues with its simple yet elegant design that appeals to all age groups. The scooter features a clean front look with chrome highlights, LED headlamp, and smooth body panels, giving it a premium feel. Its compact size makes it perfect for city riding, especially in heavy traffic. The lightweight design also makes it easy to handle and park. The Activa's metal body construction adds durability, which has always been one of its strongest points. Silicon Honda. Overall, the design focuses on practicality, durability, and everyday usability rather than aggressive styling. Couch and lamp comfort and features, practical for daily use. Inside the 2026 Honda Activa 5G, comfort and convenience are key highlights. The scooter offers a wide and comfortable seat, making it suitable for both short rides and longer daily commutes. It comes with useful features like 18-liter underseat storage, external fuel lid access, and a mobile charging socket, optional, which add convenience for riders. Silicon Honda. The instrument cluster combines analog and digital displays, showing important information like speed, fuel level, and trip details. Motor octane. The upright riding position and easy controls make the Activa very beginner-friendly and comfortable for riders of A.